Okay, students, today we are going to do the last topic of chapter number 3, that is public private partnership. Here, two companies come together. One is public institution, okay, another is a private company, okay. Public institution issues contracts to private organization to complete projects for social welfare and economic growth. Okay. Private organization undertakes those contracts because they have expertise in their particular fields. Okay. For example, central kitchen run by government of Delhi is actually managed by professional organizations like ISKCON and Akshay Patra. ओके, तो यहाँ आपके पास क्या है, एक प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है और एक गवर्नमेंट। यहाँ पे पब्लिक का मतलब है गवर्नमेंट। ओके, गवर्नमेंट क्या कर रही है, अपने सोशल वेलफेयर और इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ के लिए कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स के कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स इशू करती है। किसको? प्राइवेट कंपनीज को। क्यों? क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट की उन एरियाज में एक्सपर्टाइज नहीं है। जैसे मिड डे मील है, तो गवर्नमेंट क्या करती है, अपने टीचर्स को ही कह देती है। एंड यू माइट हैव सीन दैट मैनी केसेस इन यूपी, बिहार, इवन हरियाणा, यू माइट हैव हर्ड मैनी केसेस कि खाना जो बन रहा है मिड डे मील का, आइदर दी PNs आर मेकिंग और फोर्थ क्लास एम्प्लॉयज आर मेकिंग और टीचर्स आर मेकिंग, देन दे आर committing certain type of scams into that. Unhygienic food is being served to the students, or undernourished food, like in UP there was a news that the students were being given chapatis with salt or with haldi water. So such type of unprofessional things are happening when the things are being managed by government itself. Okay, since they don't have, every other government don't have expertise in each and every activity. There are companies who are expert, like these companies of ISKCON temple organization or Akshay Patra. They have hired specialized chefs or food industry professionals, and they are managing the whole lot of kitchen. Like nowadays, when Delhi government is saying that we are serving food to 10 lakh people or 10 lakh meal are being served on daily basis, That means that is being managed by some professional team who has the expertise in producing the food day and night and taking care of the quality. There might be some quality issues somewhere, but to major level they have maintained the quality standards. They are supplying food on regular basis, and for last 2 months it has been going on. So that is showing that why the private sector is important in here, that government has collaborated with the private professionals who have expertise in that particular field, and they are producing the goods at a comparatively cheaper prices, and it is being said that one meal costs to Delhi government for rupees 15 to 18 rupees. So that is that at such a large scale they are producing, and it provides you the economies of scale, it reduces the cost of production, and also it is a qualitative product which is being produced by these companies. So that's why government enters into contract with these companies. They have an agreement of profit sharing with each other. Okay, what are the jobs of the government, what responsibilities government is going to take care, and what responsibilities private sector is going to take care, and how profits will be shared amongst them. That is what the public-private partnership. You might have heard that many bridges, many hospitals, many schools, many roads, many airports, and many other infrastructure buildings are being constructed on public-private partnership basis, because they have the expertise in those areas. They can construct those buildings in shortest possible time period with lowest possible cost and most efficient and effective manner. Quality wise, the goods are being produced at a better way, and their designs are better, they are more economical as compared to the government expertise. So that is why nowadays governments are going into public-private partnership, taking taking along the private companies who have expertise in their fields, and thus those private companies are helping the government in carrying out its activities in a proper manner, in an efficient manner. That is what the public-private partnership is. Okay. So in this public-private partnership, who are the partners of the PPP model? There are the government, the state government, the municipalities, or the government department or ministries are the members of this public-private partnership, along with the local companies or the foreign companies. Okay. First part, that ministry or central government or the state government or the municipality, they are the one partner, and another partner is the local businessman or the foreign company who is having expertise in a particular field. Like Boston Consultancy Group is giving consultancy to central government in various areas. So that is, there is a public-private partnership between Boston Consultancy and that is US based company, and the government of India. So that is how they are acting. Okay. Another important thing is sometimes PPP includes NGOs. This is an NGO. Akshay Patra and ISKCON is an NGO which is helping the Delhi government in carrying out the midday meal scheme, or nowadays providing food to the destitutes or various people who don't have the food facilities. They are being provided food by the Delhi government with the help of these NGOs. That is the another important aspect. Okay. And their aim is to combine the best capabilities of the public and private sector. Okay. गवर्नमेंट की जो बेस्ट कैपेबिलिटीज़ हैं और जो कंसल्टेंसी ग्रुप प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स हैं, उनकी स्ट्रेंथ्स को कंबाइन करके एक बेटर इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट किया जाए, बेटर फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड की जाए. दैट इज़ द बेसिक एम ऑफ पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप. ओके. अब इसमें गवर्नमेंट क्या रोल प्ले करती है? Government sometimes is playing an important role in providing the capital It is providing playing the important role in environmental clearances. It is providing the land which is required for carrying out the construction activities. So there is the government playing an important role. So it transfers the assets like land or various other things which are required for carrying out the production activities into this public-private partnership company. Okay, that they have acquired land from farmers or from various bodies, and then that is being transferred. Those assets are transferred to this newly formed company, which is being then used for carrying out the other construction activities. Okay. So that is they act as guarantor for the private companies for raising loans from the international market. That is also the another important function government is doing. Okay. So the private, what is the role of private? They are having innovative ideas, innovative designs. They are expert in managing such type of tasks. Okay, they have expertise in various other in such type of fields, so they are lending their expertise to the government in performing various activities. That is the another important aspect of public private partnership. ओके, तो हमने डिस्कस किया है कि क्या क्या काम करते हैं कि हॉस्पिटल्स की बिल्डिंग्स कंस्ट्रक्ट करने में, सीवेज पाइपलाइंस को चेंज करने में, रोड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को बनाने में, वाटर पाइपलाइंस को चेंज करने के लिए. ओके, देन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दी जो यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड दी understanding to the government as to where, why there is so much of the crowd on the roads, how it can be reduced, how environment can be cleaned up, how water bodies can be cleaned up. So all such type of consultancy are being provided by these private companies. Okay, information technology system they are working, air traffic is there. Okay, prisons they are constructing, new railway stations they are constructing, even railways they are managing, the private freight trains are being managed by them. So that is public private partnership by these PPPs. Okay, so first thing is, what are the features? Means private parties are basically having innovative designs and they help us in creating the public facilities. That is the first feature. Second is, these are financed and owned by the public sector. कि ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स जो भी रोड बनाई है, जैसे NH10 के ऊपर जो आपकी रोड्स हैं या जो भी 4 लेन 6 लेन 8 लेन बन रहे हैं, तो उसमें जो उसकी फंडिंग भी पब्लिक सेक्टर ने किया, उसके एसेट्स भी पब्लिक सेक्टर ने एक्वायर करके दिए. जस्ट प्राइवेट सेक्टर हैज़ कम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस ओनली फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ दोज रोड्स, and then they hand it over. They are collecting the fees by charging toll on those roads. So that is, or they will operate. There are various public-private partnership. Build, operate, own system is there. Then build, operate, transfer system is there. That they will operate it for 20-25 years and then it will transfer to the government. Or they will build, operate, and then they will become the owners of that particular road or that particular infrastructure project. So that is the another PPP model is there. Okay. Now these are generally where small operating capital required is there, or when the capital requirement is quite high and they need guarantors. Okay. So we hire these and we hire the private parties who have expertise in that big project, but the government acts as a guarantor for carrying out the construction activities. So if now the bullet train program is to be done, completed in our country, government is acting as a guarantor and private parties have been given the contract to complete that project in specific areas. So that is the another important. Okay. So what is the strength of this PPP? That risk is being shared by both. The public sector is acquiring the assets and providing the capital to the private company, and private company is providing them the expertise in construction activities. Okay, it improves the efficiency because both the parties are working on their respective areas. Okay, public sector is working on the administrative part and private sector is working on the production or implementation of the plan part is there. So that is the another efficiencies are increased. Okay, and they are providing you, the private companies are providing you the innovative, most influential designs for carrying out the production activities, and they make it, the last important strength is that private companies tries to complete the project so fast so that the project remains viable. Like when we asked that how Delhi government has saved 130 crores or 30 crores or whatever the things are there, so they have hired the private consultancy firms who are giving them the designs, who are giving them the project costs and the timeline of supplying the raw material. Whenever that is being fully implemented as it has been projected, you save lot of money and that projects become more viable as compared to the other general projects where lots and lots of money overshoots. So that is the problem, that is the another important. And the problems in this is that sometimes the finance is not being made available by the government, or government is not acting as a guarantor for many activities, as a result of which the private companies are left to find out a guarantor for themselves. Another thing is sometimes government fails to provide environmental clearances in time, and that is the another problem with this private public partnership. Okay, so these are what the PPP models are, and this is how this chapter is. So we are through with this particular chapter. Fine.